Hello everyone, welcome to the Bulkmailer.pro Demo. I'm going to demo this product for you today. This is the login screen when you go to app.bulkmailer.pro and you just create an account, or you can use Google or GitHub, and you can change the theme, or you can change it once you log inside. Once you log in, it directly takes you to the bulk mailer tool. This is where you're gonna use to send your emails out. When you first start the account, there'll be like directions for you to enter your SMTP account and create your the groups that you're gonna send to, and yeah, you can also create templates. The reason this is the first thing you see when you log into, because most of the time after you set up all your account, this will be the main page where you come in and you send the email you would like to send. And now I'm going to go over and I'm going to go through the sections. First is groups, and groups are basically your email list. In here you can just click add group, and I'm going to create a marketing group. And this one going to be number 2, and I am not going to set it to default, and I'm going to create group. And here, when you do that, you can search through groups. I have currently none. There's an APIs to help you put, if you want to integrate it with your website, you can come in here and you can use these calls and be able to add in the members to the group directly using APIs. You can edit the group name and delete group in general, or set to default if you like in that section. Most importantly, you can import and export the group. Right here I'm just going to import and group number 2, and here I have imported all my members, and that is how you create a group of email. Next section we'll go over is accounts. Here you basically add your SMTP account. It's pretty straightforward. The display name will be here. The rest of the information is what your provider provides you, your email accounts, your host, your port, your username and password. The 14 basically is for how many emails you can send per second. Some providers have that limit. For example, Amazon, we have 14 for that, and generally 14 as default. And then we also recommend using Amazon. They're actually pretty decent providers, and it works pretty well with this product. Next section we're going to go over is templates. Templates are also straightforward. They're where you manage your email marketing HTML templates, and you just simply go here and add the template name and subject line. And once you do that, it'll take you to your editor. For convenience, I already created one. And once you created one, you can clone it and make your incremental changes to the new one, and change between them depending on what your needs are. You can set one to default, and that default one is going to be automatically loaded for you when you start the bulk mailer. Let's quickly go through the normal editor, and then I'm going to also show you the advanced editor. In the edit template, you can change the template name. You can add a subject line, and this subject line will be the default when you load the template is loaded in the bulk mailer. If you come down here, you can see the basic HTML editor. We can make all your normal changes, but one thing we want to point out is the source code button. In the source code button, you can just bring in a template from the outside source and just paste it in here and save it, and that will be usually the easiest way to come into the Bulkmailer.pro, because most people have a pre-created template from other system and you can bring it in here. And as well as you can copy and paste that our template and put it in an outside source. Another important feature we have in here is the dynamic text. In the dynamic text, you have the person's first name, last name, full name, email, and special identifier. And this will allow you to insert the receiver's name inside the template and make it unique for that receiver. Next, we're going to look at the advanced editor. You can go through the advanced editor by clicking here in the edit template view, or you can just simply in the templates view click here and you go straight to the advanced editor. In the advanced editor, you can switch how the views will look like, so you can test your template on different views, like mobile, for example. You can drag and drop elements straight from in here too, or you can add new elements by clicking these 4 squares. You can add different columns, or easily just text. Just come in and simply drag it and write whatever you need. This makes input designs super simple. Next section we're going to look on is organization. And in here you can basically subscribe to the service. You can't send out emails without subscribing. You can have multiple organization with the Bulkmailer.pro, where each organization needs its own subscription. But what makes it really nice is it could have its templates in different accounts, and it can have users that you can manage the organization, and you can have as limited users as you want. You can add a new organization by simply just coming here and creating a new organization. So just for demo purposes, I will create one, and here it is, right? And you can switch between the organizations by simply doing this. So it's very nice. We have now 2 more sections, the log section and the support section. I'm going to go over the log section in a second, but for the support section is just simply you can add in a ticket if you're having any issues, or if you have any ideas for features, you can submit them here that you would like to see. As the system grows, we will be adding more and more features, so we really like your support, and hopefully you'll grow with us. Now we're in the initial view. Everything is set up. So we have the default template loaded and the default email account loaded. In the groups, we don't have any default groups, so nothing loaded in, but you can just simply select the groups that you would like. If the group has the same receivers, it will filter out, so that way there will be no duplicate receivers, so nobody will get double emails. And you can also come in here and edit the list of users if you want to remove somebody that you don't want to receive that email from that email list. If you can type in the subject line, I'm just going to put test, and you can come down here. Once you're ready to send the email, you just click send and it will process. But another cool feature that I want to show you is scheduling. I will basically simply schedule this email for Monday. This is very convenient because if you're doing email marketing and you are you can set up all your emails on one day that will go out through all the week, and you don't have to keep coming back. And this is also convenient for like congregations and churches. If you want to send, you know the schedule for the week, and you want to send a reminder or so on and so on. Super convenient feature. So I'm going to set it for 10 a.m. On August 13th, which is the following Monday as this is being recorded, and I'm going to set the email event. And you can see here it loads in all the email accounts that are going through. I should have 450. And when I'm done loading, you can either go to the view log, and in the view log you can see here that it's not started loading yet, but as the time comes it's gonna load it through. If you change your mind, you can on that you can come back and delete it, but once it's processed you will see that it's completed, and it will have if it has no rejected emails, it will say no rejected emails. If it has rejected emails, it will basically list them for you right here. And this is the Bulkmailer.pro product. Thank you for watching the demo. I hope you can find it useful for you. Thank you and have a great day.